Hello everyone! In this virtual lab, we're going to compare the copper specimens. Let's click Specimens and select the two short copper specimens. Now, try and predict the answers for the following questions before stretching the specimens. The first question is, which specimen has the steeper load extension graph? And which specimen reaches its elastic limit first? Let's check your answers. We will load the specimen. And now, let's answer the first question that asks, which specimen has the steeper load extension graph? From the graph, it seems the thicker specimen has the steepest gradient. The second question asks, which specimen reaches its elastic limit first? From the graph, the thinner specimen reaches the elastic limit first. This is because the thicker specimen has twice the cross-sectional area of the thinner one. Now, at the elastic limit, how do the loads compare? Yes, at the elastic limit, the thinner specimen reaches the elastic limit at 40 newtons. However, the thicker specimen reaches the elastic limit at 80 newtons. So at the elastic limit, the load for the thicker specimen is twice the load for the thinner one. How do the extensions compare? For the thinner specimen, the extension is 15 millimeters. And for the thicker specimen, at the elastic limit, the extension is also 15 millimeters. So at the elastic limit, the extension of the thicker specimen is equals to that of the thinner one